Last night, Tako woke us up coughing. We thought he was vomiting. But it sounded terrible. So at about 3 or 4 a.m, we took him to the emergency vet. Unfortunately, another dog had been hit by a car, so the emergency vet couldn't see us for over 1 hour. So we called another vet and we drove there to see him. The vet took him inside and had a look at him and the video that we took. And the vet told us that it was probably coughing, not vomiting. This is something called kennel cough that dogs give to each other. It's a kind of infection in his throat.
It's like flu.
It's like a dog cold. Actually, Tako has vaccination for this cough, but I guess it doesn't work 100% of the time. And they said 50% of dogs that have kennel cough have the vaccination already. All we can do is give him something to make his throat more comfortable. The vet gave us 2 types of medicine. One we give with food in the morning, and that helps reduce the infection in his throat. The other one is codeine that we can give to him at night time, which makes him feel better and maybe will help him sleep.
タコちゃん Get well soon 抜け毛がすごいです。
We can't bring Tako to the park for about 2 weeks because he's infectious and could give to the other dogs. I don't know what we're going to do to exercise Tako until then, but it should be difficult.